Okay, so if you are using any WordPress theme, I mean you have purchased any WordPress theme and it's asking for an update, then how can you update the theme manually through the file manager in your cPanel? So today's topic will be updating your theme manually using the cPanel file manager. I'll guide you regarding that. So suppose we are taking example of this website which we made using the theme called as Adventure Tours, and now you can see here that there is a notification for the theme update. So if we go to the update section also, so we can see here that it's clearly saying that there is a new version of the Adventure Tours theme available. Currently we have 3.5.5 version installed, and please update to the version 3.8.0. So how can we do this thing manually? So first thing is to download the updated like if you have purchased the theme, then there is always lifetime support for the themes, so you always get the updates for the themes. So download the latest theme files from here. You can download not all files, you just need to download the installable WordPress file only. When you will download it, then you will get a kind of a zip folder like this. Let me show you how it looks like. So like this, a zip folder will be there. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to go into your GoDaddy or whichever cPanel account you are using, and you need to go into the file manager. Okay, so once you will be into the file manager, for example here we are using GoDaddy, so there is an option to go into the file manager, and after going into the file manager you need to go into the public_html folder. Okay, I think it needs to log in again, so we are trying to log in again. And before going into the file manager and making changes, I would always recommend you to take a backup using cPanel admin. So when you will go into the cPanel admin, there is an option to take a backup of your complete website. So let me show you how you can do that. So we are into the cPanel now, and there is an option of backup here. You can see here there is an option of backup, and here you need to download a full account backup. So what it will do is it will for some hostings, for example SiteGround, they take regular backup every day, but for GoDaddy you have to manually do it. So once you will take a full account backup, it will get uploaded into your hosting space only. Okay, so I have already done this thing, and I got a mail also confirming that like backup has been done. So now the next thing would be updating the theme. So how can I do that? I need to go into the file manager from here. Now when you are inside the file manager, you need to go into the WP content folder, and here there is a themes folder. Now here you can see that there are two different folders. One is the child theme and one is the main theme folder. So what we need to do is we need to update this particular folder, because this is the main folder that will be updated. So what we'll do is we'll first of all rename this particular folder, and we'll put the name as old against it. Okay, now we can rename this particular folder, and now inside this folder we'll go to style.css file. It should be somewhere here only, here. So you need to edit this particular file style.css, and here also you need to change the file name to the same one like the one that you are having. So how you can do that? Okay, if you want you can skip renaming style.css also, and instead what we can do is we have already done this in the old. Okay, so now what we can do is we can upload the new file that we have downloaded from ThemeForest, and let's try to upload it. Okay, where is it located? This one. Okay, so let's try to upload it. Okay, it's uploaded now, so now we can extract it. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, it is, I think, extracted. We can try to reload it. Okay, so now it's extracted, and now the new theme that we have uploaded is here. And I think this one we can, first of all, this one we need to delete. So we can delete this particular file, zip file, and now the next thing would be to download, we can compress this one. Okay, we can compress this original backup. Okay, reload, reload it, and now download this somewhere so that you always have a backup somewhere. Okay, download it in your system. Let me try to download it here. Okay, so now we are having a backup also. Okay, and now if we go to our particular website, and here under the appearances and themes, then we can see like what themes it is showing currently. So currently it's showing us 2 themes here. So what we can do is we can delete the old one, try deleting it. Okay, and try deleting its zip file also, and now you can reload this particular page to see like what particular theme it is showing currently. Okay, so currently it's showing us only the one theme, and the child theme is already activated, and we are not seeing any option to upgrade the theme now, because theme should be upgraded by now. So let's check whether the theme is updated or not. How can we do that? Let's try to go for theme options. Okay, so the theme is updated now, and you can recheck whether everything is working correctly by visiting your home page, and you can see here that like everything is working correctly as it was. So nothing is disturbed now, and theme is updated. So now this is how you can update theme manually for your WordPress website. Thank you for watching this.